Hello, welcome to watch the video of our company's LV08 Optical Vision Alignment BGA Rework Station. This machine has a full English operating system. Below is the installation and usage method of this machine. 1. Turn on the power switch to power up the entire machine. 2. Turn on the lighting switch button and the positioning light switch button. 3. Use the Z-axis up-down control joystick. 4. Adjust the brightness of the BGA light source and the PCB light source. 5. Adjust the height of the second heating zone. 6. Adjust the left and right pallets and move the clamping platform integrally left and right. 7. Install replaceable nozzles, upper air nozzles, and lower air nozzles. With the positioning light on, fix the PCB mainboard and enter the operation interface. Click Curve Setting. Enter the password to access the setting interface and set the temperature. Refer to the instruction manual for reference. After setting, click Save and Apply and return to the main interface. Select Demolition Mode and click Start. The upper heating head moves down automatically to start heating. This video is speeded up. Normally, the lead-free BGA chip removal time is about 4 minutes, and the heating time and temperature can be manually adjusted. During chip removal heating, the device will automatically remove the chip after heating is completed. Use tweezers to take off the chip to finish the removal work. BGA chip mounting and welding introduction. Turn on the positioning light and fix the PCB mainboard. Apply a thin layer of solder paste. Manually place the chip at the approximate position on the PCB. Select Mounting Mode, click Start. The upper heating head descends, automatically picks up the chip, and returns to the optical position. Move out the alignment lens for optical alignment. Use the joystick to zoom the image in or out. Adjust the micrometer of the upper heating head position to adjust the image rotation angle. Adjust the left, right, and front back micrometers to align the image ball points with the pads. After alignment, return the lens to the origin and click the Alignment Confirmation button on the touchscreen. The upper heating head automatically mounts the chip onto the PCB mainboard and starts heating. The welding heating time is the same as the removal heating time. After heating is completed, the upper heating head automatically returns to the origin, and the welding is finished.